Does anybody have questions about what we're doing?
A transformation room is really a themed room where you can bring the learning.
Our room theme changes roughly about every 9 weeks. We've done many other themes. Some of our themes are Toy Story, Mario is upcoming next. We've had a camping theme and even Candyland.
I remember one year they did a campsite theme and a diner theme where it was like a booth. And I really enjoyed that one. You kind of feel like you're in a different place and it kind of doesn't feel like you're learning sometimes. And so you kind of, I guess you would collect that information better because you have an experience to remember.
It's obtuse. In one word, maybe like a collaboration. One way we could all meet up with each other and still learn at the same time, a fun, new way to learn.
When students come to our transformation room, they're still working on their regular, normal schoolwork and curriculum, but doing so in ways that hopefully will make the curriculum come to life.
It's really cool.